Okay, we're on. Yeah, I had problems with my mic. I don't know what was going on. But here we are. We're trading the DAX mini in the afternoon in Sydney. This is the open. Yeah, I've already entered a trade. I was a bit flustered because I was trying to watch a trade and trying to get the stream going. It was chaos. But I've gone for I'm looking for strong continuation. We've had a big drop on the open. We've opened very low. I'm expecting price to start pushing higher. We've made higher highs, higher lows. So I'm using the upper band, not looking good here. But I'm using the upper band to try and get the continuation. Looks like we're going to get stopped out. It's trying though. Keeps coming down, pushing back up. Just waiting for a breakout, but it might not want to do that. 15-minute had a nice strong candle close. So I'm expecting higher prices. This might not be my target, but it's just to see. Yeah, it might want to come down here. It's not looking good. I may have acted a little bit emotionally on the entry. Again, I was trying to sort the stream out. I probably got to the desk a bit too late, but this was a potential entry, but it was at the open, so I was very hesitant. And obviously, this is where my stop loss is now. So, yeah, I wanted to trade off the anchor, having a respect to this VWAP. If that was the case, we would have gone straight into profits. That's get off. I don't know what to do that. Yeah, would have gone straight. My entry would have been already far in profit. But yeah, instead traded this. This was my entry candle. Respect of the upper band happened twice. Yeah, now it's stuck in consolidation. It doesn't look great. The only thing going for me is the 15-minute strong candle close previously. My stop loss is a little bit tight, to be honest. I'd love for it to be down here, but I've already put too much size on. Sometimes these pay off really nicely. High risk reward. Just tight stop losses, but obviously more likely to get stopped out. Oh, that looked really good as well. Trickeries. Yeah, it's teasing me. There we go. That's it. That should be stop loss now. Oh well, worth a try, I think. Still looking for longs. See how we react to this. Coming to the VWAP. Look at that. Let's wait and see. Come a bit lower. Frustrating because I want it to come respect my VWAP for the higher quality setup. If we break high of the anchor, it's going to be tempting to get in because I do believe we're going to go higher. It's just trying to decide, do I take a lower quality or do I accept missing out if it goes without me? Yeah, I think accept missing out is the right answer. We're coming to the inside structure. No. Let me just make me brew. Is it going to go without me? That's the question. I got a feeling. The answer's yes. Oh, look at that though. That looks good for a long. The 2 minute. I'm going to see how this. Maybe see how this 2 minute closes. Okay, the 1 minute's not giving me the entry anyway, so that's good. So it's still It's still rejecting off the high of the anchor. This would be my last trade too. So if it lost, I would be fuming. Decisions. It's these two candles that I like. It looks good. It does. I think we're going for it, boys and girls. Oh. Right, let's go. Last chance. If we lose, that's it. I'm done. Early night. Well, win or lose, this is done. Sticking to my rules. See, there's not much structure in the way either. That's what's tempting me the most. Looks like he just wants to run. Oops, left that on. That could have been a mistake. It's annoying though, again, the entry just slips me a little bit. It makes a difference. Come on, don't be like that. Give me a nice close. That'll do. Problem is, I know I'm going to be pissed if it comes down. I should really have a stop loss below there, but pushing it with risk. Do I take a unit off? Ideally, I want to be like below this inside structure, below the VWAP. I want to be lower. That's a lot of risk, is it? I've over risked, definitely. Silly, Aaron. Silly. Let's have a look at this. $7.05. Yeah, and the 15 minutes all the way down here. Oh, God. It's no good. I've married my bias too much. Well, now you're seeing the real shit. I've married a bias. I've got FOMO. I didn't want to miss that move. I mean, it is an entry. It is one of my entries, continuations. It's just not the highest quality. My higher quality would be waiting for this. What's happening now, which is going to stop me out. Yeah, I need that rejection. No, not strong enough. It's just consolidating it. Something tells me it's just going to spike down. Continuation. Hopefully my stop loss survives it. It's so stupidly tight. Come on. Yeah, I should have been more patient. Oh dear. Can we hold in there? Like, look at where my entry is. My entry is where my target should be. Really. It's not good. Chasing the trend. The trend's not even been established fully yet. Even this should be an entry. Look at 23 ticks below where I am. This is a potential entry because we've got high volume. Pin bar close enough. Should probably even be more patient here and wait for it to come fully down, but yeah, I'm in the shit. This is where my target should be. Pray for a miracle. Here she comes. Stop loss hit. Oof, not allowed. Yeah. I'm gonna have to write a good review on this one. Yeah, we ain't got a strong bounce off that VWAP either. It's not looking great. We've come into inside structure now. See how we react. I'm still not confident, to be honest. Quite low volume for what it's doing. But, I mean, that would have been my entry. Which is not miles away. You know? It's not great, though. Now I've got to shoot high targets. Alright, if this survives, I'm a lucky man. See how the 2-minute closes. It's not the highest volume. but I'll take it. Come on, strong close, please. No. That's not the best. Don't want to see rejection of the high of day. We have light. I mean, it looks better. Obviously. I'm so lucky. So far, I'm very lucky. I mean, yeah, I placed a stop loss there, but it was so tight for VWAP. Like I was relying on the touch of the VWAP, which is what it's done so far. Pretty wild. Like, unbelievable. Part of me just wants to get out. Just have to put all that drawdown. The stress of I'd accepted the loss already. Yeah, like now is it just going to come straight back down? Should I have got out? Look at that. That is ugly. Ugly. 15 minute. Oh no, free. The 15 minute can close up here. It'll be good. But that is not pretty. Come on. This is a potential entry too. That would be where my risk should be. I think we might be alright. If we can close up here, the 15 minute looks pretty good. This is this. If this closes, it gives me a H3C. That's actually an entry candle. This next candle. It's just the volume's not the prettiest. Like, no. Don't do that. Come on, be nice. Just got my hopes back up. Ready to crush them again. Trading. Whose idea was it to start trading, honestly? This shit is stressful. I have grey hairs now. Okay, that looks nice. What's all these VWAPs doing here? What the fuck is that? Oh, don't press that. Okay, we've got above I have the anchor. I always like to anchor to the VWAP bounce. We've kind of come into it and respected it, which is good. Now we need this. This is what we need. A H3C. And we're away because that'd be an entry signal. How the fuck am I this lucky? This is one of my lucky trades if it plays out. Holy shit. We're back in profit, what the fuck? That's a nice close. It's funny this. Right, now I'm tempted to move my stop loss. Yeah. Oh no, because we haven't really broke above. I want us to break above here. 15-minute looks good. Very good. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. You lucky son of a bitch. Well, don't speak too fucking soon. Oh, that's ugly. But at least I can trail my stop loss for my Ricks. I was oversized, man. So if I do lose, it's just a normal loss. Really, I could probably bring it to here. That's a name. But I deserve it. So I haven't broke the range. What do I do with my stop loss? I mean, it is safe there, isn't it? Safe there. No. If it comes, like, it's not proving me wrong if it is stop loss here. It's proving me wrong if it is stop loss here. But I hate just getting back into all that drawdown and getting back into profit. And if I take the full loss, that I thought, oh, Jesus. This is the correct stop loss. It just is. The 15 minutes just keeping me alive here. It just looks good. Otherwise, I'd be taking contracts off. Or one contract. One unit, sorry, whatever you call it. Look at it. You can't take it off when it's like that. Oh, can you? Oh, I don't know. There we go. Come on. Keep pumping. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. This game's wild. To be fair though, it happens the other way all the time. It's quite unlucky. But I'm lucky here because I just think it's bad trading, to be honest. Bad entries. I might take a size off here. We failed to close above again. Oof, you can't. Okay. Maybe. Just put one. One there. I want to close above. I know this is a bit silly to be honest, but there we go, it's going to get it. if we reject all the way back down, I want to take size off. I've been oversized this whole time. That's why it was so stressful. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm a bit all over the place, I'm not gonna lie. This really stressed me out. Being oversized and just coming that deep into drawdown. It's hard to know where to put the target because move this up now. Because there's no structure up until this level. I just think it wants to come all the way up. I'm going to see how it reacts here if I want to add back in. I know it sounds a bit chaotic and emotional, but we'll see. Let price tell me. Because I've reduced my stop loss, so I don't love it. I don't love the reduction, but I think if we do come all the way down here, I don't really want to be in. Yeah, we haven't had a nice rejection off the upper band, so that. Oh, might do. Not quite. It's an ugly 2-minute candle. I did it. We're back to the usual size. Full risk. Just gonna put this there as like a just in case, but I'll probably close the trade before then if it gets there. If it gets up, the 15 minutes just selling it to me. If we look, I know we're struggling, but we've closed above structure, come to retest the VWAP more or less. We're just pinning, we're just rejecting. Seems like it wants to higher to me. Maybe stop loss there. Yeah. Just accept if I lose, just accept it. Sorry, I was sniffling, but my nose is really sore. Been a bit under the weather. My nose has gone funny. Come on, give me a pop. Just pop up. Be good to me. Can we get a break and close now? That's what I'm after. It's just trickling up. I hate it when it does this though, because it trickles up and all of a sudden it just falls out its arse. While we're waiting, got these things to cut. Oh, my tea. Do this every time. It's getting a bit late as well. Oh, we got break and close. Just. Come on. Is this going to be the break? Is it? I don't know. Now the 50 minutes don't look that good. Get up. There we go. This trade is playing with my patience. Come on, give me. Oh, that's not wanted. I want the H3C there. There we go. Come on. Follow through. Look, it really is just struggling, isn't it? It's not giving much confidence. Part of me just thinks take a potential small loss. Meaning, move my stop loss up here. Because now we have closed above. Come on. Tap that target, please. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. That's what we needed. Can we continue? I think so. I'm going to probably trail the stop loss tightly. If I can push a bit higher, that'd be beautiful. Covered my loss anyway so far. Come on. Keep pushing. You know you wanna. I'm being greedy. Maybe I was. That's the lowest I'd go. I'm just expecting maybe a test of structure. Inside structure. If it goes lower than that, I'm not a fan. That's the right place though. Oh, that's a strong. I want it to just keep going. It's annoying. Why not just keep going? There's nothing to stop you. Just have one of them days where you just rip up for me. Well, I'm being a little bit brave. This is brave for me. I've usually took targets long before this. It's nice. No, not nice. Thought we were gonna do a strong close then. Oh, you bastard. Oh, you motherfucker. Right. I'm just taking profits. If it comes here, I'm out. Yeah. There we go. Probably break even. Oh, a little bit up. That's me done. That was a rough session. I should have probably just took my winnings when it come and retested here. Because of this rejection. I was getting greedy. I wanted to come up. But yeah, not bad. I got very lucky. Super lucky. Bad entries. Took a stupid loss straight away. Took another trade straight into drawdown. Should have been more patient. Took a trade here instead. But we held through. Emotions were up and down like a fucking yo-yo. I know. See, old me would be like, right, I need to get back in. I need my money back. We're up quite nice actually. We're up 200 at one point. Should have took it. Right, anyway guys, it's been on long enough. Peace out.